Breaking news me hear a while ago. The police then released said 2 women a go around in my community. A rape man at night time. What a sitting, sir? From here me start fret because really and truly me no want them know say a lot 69 me live over a scheme. When you go over a scheme you make a left past the post office and the house, the blue and white house with the white gate right in front of the sports bar. Me no want them know say that's how me live. Tell you the truth. What a sitting, man. Worse like how me sleep naked at night time with the 2 windows up and the door up. Why? Me no want them find me. God know. Better me never hear that the breaking news there. What a sitting, sir? Me Percy Clark.